Hello, everybody. Um, welcome to I'm gonna show you how to make a good turret machine gun. That I think it would be good for Minecraft D-Day builds, like bunkers. What? All right, that was weird. For some bunkers, and all we're gonna need is some. Here, let me. We're gonna need some uh, stone bricks, stone slabs, stone stairs, sticky piston, lever, uh, observer, and I'm pretty sure. Oh, a dispenser. We're gonna need a dispenser. Yes, like that. And so, first of all, we want to make a C shape like this, but then place a block like that, and then put some stone bricks like this on each side. Not like that. And then you want to break that, and break this. Put a lever here, the two sticky pistons in the holes where they were, and then you're gonna wanna put put the observer facing the arrow facing this way. Put these where the observers are facing opposite directions, and then place the dispensers like that. And then you're gonna want to place the stair there, and then the slabs like this, and then a slab like that, and then two blocks exactly like that, and one more slab. I mean, there's gonna be a hole in the middle, but I mean, when it's firing, um, it it's gonna cover the hole up, and yeah, you get what I mean. So, and you want to get two stacks of fire chargers like this, and then put them in each dispenser, and then voila. Uh, you want to do is hit the lever, and then the dispensers will come up, and then it will fire, and it's really cool. I recommend using it for World War II builds if you if for defense. It's really useful, and you can always just stop it, refill, start it up again, and you know what I mean. Make sure to like and subscribe. I don't know why, but see ya.